Hi folks, Anthony Salazar here for Guarantee RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Bullet Ultralight by Keystone. It's a 2015 247 BH model. Nice pre-owned unit, perfect for that first-time family. Let's go in and take a quick look and see what we got. Okay guys, inside nice kitchen, good size for a small family. Nice big giant sink in here. Look at the size of that sink with a nice cutting board. 3-burner stovetop, nice oven, microwave, freezer, refrigerator, lots of storage. Over here you got a nice little pantry. Down below even some too. Bathroom. Nice little tub shower, toilet, medicine cabinet, door to enter in from the outside so when you're camping the kids can just run in and use the restroom without messing everything up. You got nice double bunks in here so you can put the kids in here and they're not going to roll off. Kids love bunks. More storage right in here. Nice big U-shaped table. Also storage underneath these as well. And I believe there's an outside connection to get outside for them too. And over here you've got your TV. On this one it's on a swivel so you can flip it around for the bedroom. You got some storage under here. Nice storage. Nice windows for cross breeze. Nice little closet. A lot of space up above the bed. These are really deep cabinets. Arm length deep. Back there you get a lot of blankets and pillows in there. Overall, ideal for the perfect size for the young family just getting started out. So guys, if you want to come down and take a look at this trailer, come ask for Big Sal. My phone number is 951-443-8323. Feel free to call me anytime. Anytime you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you.